A clear software comparison starts now, and AI voice will continue the walkthrough.
Tickmill positions itself as a broker, built for traders who prioritize execution speed, tight spreads, and transparency rather than flashy bonuses or aggressive marketing. One of the platform's standout strengths is execution quality. Orders are generally filled quickly with minimal slippage, even during volatile market conditions, which is critical for news traders, scalpers, and short-term strategies that rely on precise entry and exit timing. Many traders highlight the consistency of fills and the overall stability of the trading environment during high liquidity sessions. Tickmill supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, making it highly compatible with expert advisors, custom indicators, and automated trading systems. This is a strong advantage for traders who rely on algorithmic strategies or prefer a familiar, professional trading interface. Leverage can go as high as 1 to 1,000 depending on jurisdiction, providing flexibility for smaller accounts, though it requires disciplined risk management. The broker also supports multiple base currencies, helping traders avoid unnecessary conversion fees, and offers Islamic swap-free trading for those who need it. Another positive is Tickmill's operational simplicity. The platform avoids unnecessary distractions, focusing instead on core trading functionality. Deposit and withdrawal processes are generally described as predictable, with traders often noting consistent processing times compared to less established brokers. This reliability matters for traders who value access to their funds without delays or excessive manual intervention. On the downside, Tickmill is not a feature-heavy ecosystem. You won't find the integrated copy trading networks, social feeds, or advanced analytics dashboards built into the platform. Educational resources exist but remain fairly basic, which may challenge complete beginners who need structured learning support. Promotions and bonuses are limited, which some traders appreciate for transparency, while others may view it as a lack of onboarding incentives. In terms of background, Tickmill was founded in 2014 and has steadily built a reputation around institutional-style pricing and execution quality. Over time, it has expanded its regulatory presence and global client base, with a clear focus on professional and cost-conscious traders rather than casual speculators. This conservative growth strategy has helped Tickmill maintain consistency rather than chasing rapid expansion. Now, looking at account structure and pricing. Tickmill offers a commission-free option where trading costs are embedded directly into the spread, appealing to traders who prefer simple, predictable pricing. For traders who want tighter pricing precision, there is a raw spread option where spreads can drop to zero during liquid market hours, paired with a low fixed commission per lot. Minimum deposits remain relatively accessible, allowing traders to start without oversized commitments. Overall, Tickmill's pricing structure rewards disciplined, cost-aware traders who value execution reliability and low trading costs over flashy features and marketing extras. NAGA takes a very different approach to trading by positioning itself as a multi-layered trading ecosystem rather than a pure execution venue. The platform combines traditional CFD trading with social trading, copy trading, and community-driven features, creating an experience that feels more interactive and beginner-friendly. Traders can follow other users, copy strategies, and engage with built-in social feeds directly inside the platform. One of NAGA's biggest strengths is accessibility. The platform is designed to lower the barrier to entry for newer traders by offering a visually intuitive interface, mobile-first design, and integrated educational content. Traders can access forex, stocks, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs from a single environment, which makes diversification easier without switching platforms. The copy trading system allows users to automatically mirror trades from more experienced traders, which appeals strongly to passive or learning-focused users. NAGA also integrates research tools, trading signals, webinars, and community interaction. For traders who benefit from external validation, shared ideas, and structured learning paths, this ecosystem can feel supportive and engaging. However, this same strength can become a weakness for traders who prefer focus. The platform can feel busy, and execution-focused traders may find the social elements distracting. Spreads are not always positioned as ultra-tight compared to raw execution brokers, and highly active scalpers may find cost efficiency less competitive. Customer experiences vary widely. Some users praise the platform for ease of use, strong tools, and an engaging trading environment. Others raise concerns around withdrawals and support response times, especially during high traffic periods. This mixed feedback reflects NAGA's broad retail focus rather than specialization in professional execution. NAGA was founded in 2015 and quickly expanded into a global retail trading brand with a strong emphasis on social investing. Over the years, it has grown beyond a simple broker into a broader financial platform that includes trading, investing, and community engagement. The company is publicly listed, which adds a layer of transparency, but also reflects its retail-oriented business model. When it comes to pricing and account structure, NAGA uses a tier-based system tied to account balance levels. Account tiers include iron, bronze, silver, gold, diamond, and crystal. Each tier unlocks different benefits, such as reduced spreads, higher copy trading earnings, exclusive signals, webinars, and additional educational resources. Trading costs vary depending on instrument and tier, with spreads generally decreasing as account levels increase. Withdrawal fees are typically low or zero, depending on tier, and many services are bundled into higher level accounts rather than priced separately. Looking at independent sentiment, Tickmill holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.6, with many traders praising execution speed, stable spreads, and smooth withdrawals. Positive comments frequently mention reliable order fills and clean MetaTrader performance, while criticism often focuses on limited features rather than trust issues. NAGA carries a Trustpilot rating of 4.1, with users commonly highlighting the platform's ease of use, copy trading, and community features. Positive reviews emphasize accessibility and educational tools, while negative feedback tends to focus on withdrawal delays and customer support consistency. Final takeaway: if your priority is tight execution, cost efficiency, and a distraction-free trading environment, Tickmill is the stronger choice for active and disciplined traders. If you value social interaction, copy trading, and a feature-rich ecosystem designed to support learning and diversification, NAGA offers a more engaging and beginner-friendly experience. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that best fits how you trade, manage risk, and build confidence step by step.